children, now we will do some exercises, and for that open page number 13. We will do exercises from chapter 6, page number 13. See, read these sentences. Meena is singing. Manik is dancing. These sentences tell us what Meena and Manik are doing. So these sentences, Meena is singing, Manik is dancing, these sentences shows that what they are doing. Okay, now add ing to these words and see what these children are doing. So here we will read the sentences and use ing. Madhur is playing catch. So what we will write? We will add here ing. It will become Madhur is playing catch. Dina is watering. We will add ing, watering the plants. Maria is talking. Aunt Jolly is cooking. We will add ing in cook, so it becomes cooking. Krish is paint. We will add ing, painting. So these words are doing words. It shows what these children are doing. Now next, read these words pairs. Right tide, horn, corn. These words have the same end sound. These words rhyme with each other. So these are rhyming words: right tide, horn, corn. Now here, color the boxes with the rhyming words. Use a different color for each pair. Here for each pair we have to use different color. Cat, we will see which is the rhyming word, mat. So here you color, use color and color it. So you find out the rhyming words and do it yourself. This will be your homework. The meaning. Now next, the meanings of a few words are given. Match them with the correct words. Now here are the sentences and we have to match with correct word. A thing that keeps you dry when it rains. Which is the thing that keeps you dry? Umbrella. So here you match with umbrella. A thing that has stories that you can read. So which is the things that has stories? Book. So match it with book. Your mother's mother. Your mother's mother. Match it with grandmother. A place where you go to play. Which place you go to play? Park. A place where people can have fun, play games and buy yummy treats. So it is fair. Match it with fair. Circle the action words. So here you have to circle the action words, that is doing words. You have to circle. Swim, read, drink. All these doing words are you have to circle. You may find out more. Okay. Now next, look at the picture and write the action words. Add ing to the words from the box. Here are some pictures. You have to see it and write the action words. Like here, this boy is playing. So we will write here playing. Add ing with play, playing. Eating. Now here this boy is singing. So we will write singing. This boy is studying. So we will write here studying. This boy is walking. So we will write here walking. Now is sleeping. We will write here sleeping. Now complete this story by looking at the picture clues. Here some clues are given and you have to complete this story. You do it with yourself. This will be your homework. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.